Hey there, it's Justin from Dalinghaus Construction, and today's tip of the day is all about tree roots. Yes, those seemingly harmless trees in your yard could be causing some serious damage to your foundation. Let's talk about how to spot the warning signs and what you can do about it. First things first, tree roots are one of the most common culprits when it comes to foundation damage. While the tree itself might look healthy, its root system can be sneaky, growing underneath your foundation and causing it to shift or settle. Tree roots tend to grow towards moisture, and if they find a crack or weak spot in your foundation, they'll creep in, disrupting the soil beneath. If your tree is within 10 to 15 feet of your home, it's more than likely that its roots could reach the foundation and cause damage over time. One of the biggest signs of tree root damage is cracks, both in your foundation and inside your home. If you notice cracks in the walls or floors near where the tree is planted, it could be a sign that roots are growing underneath the foundation, pushing it up or even pulling it down. Keep an eye on those cracks to see if they get bigger over time. Another warning sign is uneven ground around your foundation. If you see areas where the soil has sunk or settled, especially if it's near a tree, it could mean that the roots have disturbed the soil beneath the slab. This can lead to the foundation settling unevenly, causing bigger issues down the road. Sometimes the damage isn't as obvious, but if you've noticed changes in your door frames or windows, like them becoming harder to open or close, it could be a sign that the foundation is shifting due to root growth. Tree roots can exert a lot of pressure, and even subtle shifts can have a big impact on your home. So, how do you deal with tree root damage? Well, the first step is knowing what to look for. If you think the roots of a tree near your house might be causing damage, it's time to call in a professional. At Dalinghaus Construction, we offer free foundation inspections, and we can help identify whether tree roots are the issue and recommend the best solution to your home. Remember, tree roots may look innocent, but they can cause some serious foundation issues if left unchecked. If you've spotted any of these warning signs, don't wait. Give us a call at Dalinghaus Construction and we'll help you keep your foundation strong and stable. Call Dalinghaus Construction today for your free inspection. Visit dalinghausconstruction.com for more tips and to schedule your appointment. That's your foundation repair tip of the day. Take care and watch out for those roots.